Customize your cabinet light in 3 easy steps. Today, let's take a 36-inch framed cabinet as an example. The usable space underneath for lighting is 35 inches. For easier installation, we recommend leaving 0.5 inch on each side of the cabinet light to allow space for end caps and wiring. Calculation: 35 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 equal 34 inches. Conclusion: recommended light length 34 inches. Cut the aluminum channels at the 34 inch. The LED strip can be cut at any point, even between LEDs, to fit your required length. Apply the LED strip light. After applying the strip, make sure it matches the length of the aluminum profile. Insert the quick connector. Make sure the polarity is correct. Connection complete. Successfully light on. Now, the light is finished. To make installation easier, we offer a variety of connectors and solutions to help you install the lights smoothly. We specialize in cabinet lighting systems. Contact us for custom solutions.